Hello, welcome to Webshop QA on hands demo. What is Webshop QA? So, you're a developer or company that develops web shops or e-commerce sites, shoe shops, t-shirt shops, whatever. And development cycle for this kind of websites is small. It's like 6 months. Two of them you waste on agreeing with the client what colors to have, how to look, etc., etc. And you're not really able to create automated testing for it, test properly your solution you're implementing because it's not cost efficient. You have 4 months, budget it is what it is, and usually this creates bottlenecks like I don't know, Magento updates its frameworks, your components start crashing, you introduce third party not compatible with whatever you have already developed. So what happens is either developers start testing their solution, or managers or whoever's available test the solution, or even if you do have in-house QA and you're developing like 3 websites, you have to wait for him or finish the other sites for testing until it reaches your new features. It's a convoluted process. Now, here comes Webshop QA. What is Webshop QA? It is a platform for automated testing for any e-commerce site. It's an out-of-the-box solution. It works really simple, meaning that you don't have to do anything. You just come onto the platform, add your URL. You will have access to a wide array of tests that will cover your website in development. You can run these tests as much as you want, and that's it. That's as simple as it gets. We will provide you with bugs found. We will help you run the test. You can put cron jobs, like we want to run tests in the morning, in the afternoon. We have multiple types of packages like Smoke. This is one test that covers a full user flow, like an actual user would do. Go onto the site, pick an item, add to cart, check out, do the payment, and Sanity, for instance, the Sanity pack is about all the happy flows that can be on your site, starting from login, register, carts, favorites, comparison, checkout, billing, pay, etc. Whatever. Regression is the package that it's full, but for Sanity it's always the happy flows, no negative flows, only the user experience. Regression, on the other hand, is the full end-to-end coverage from a user perspective, meaning that every scenario possible, negative, happy scenarios, everything. And production is especially intended for maintenance websites, like you guys developed a site for one of your clients. Tests that go onto the production environment and test there a couple of times a day, and they're kind of a health check for your production environment, notifying you before if something is down, if something is broken, notifying you before the actual clients start to call in. Okay, let's go through a little bit the application. So you have, as you can see, Smoke, Sanity, Prod, and Regression. And you'll just go, let's take regression, we'll just go into regression, and as you can see, you already have predefined the tests. It's like hundreds of them. covering each section, like products or register, reviews, search. We want to see, for instance, okay, what does this do? We just add details. We can read whatever this test does. If we want a more detailed analysis of what the test does, step by step, just click details here, and then you will see step by step what the test does. Once you know what you want to run, you just start selecting them, either targeted or bulk selection, everything. We'll select everything and just start the execution. This will start the test in the cloud infrastructure. It depends on the package you're using. The biggest ones take like an hour to run, and then you'll have a full history of runs. Let's take one. We won't wait now to finish, but let's take one. We'll just go to details. We'll see the pass rate. You can see what tests run, what were the problematic areas, like account failing 1, card failing 2. You can investigate here what the failure was, but as a general idea, you will always have a separate dashboard for bugs, which we handle. We log your bugs, and each failing test will have a corresponding bug. That's it. You can download your reports. You will notice that you have remaining time execution. Each package has a preset of hours made for that specific package, meaning that, for instance, regression has 100 hours, production has like 25 hours, and this resets at each month to its default state. Imagine for regression, like you have 100 hours and one full cycle takes 1 hour. You have like 100 runs per month. You have like 22 working days. Run it 3 times a day. You're still good. You're still like only 60 something, and this can be always increased. Site, you can run them all in parallel. Imagine like you would have 5 websites in development and you want to release in 1 week, and you have 1-2 testers, and they can't really parallelize these things, and you get instant feedback, like half an hour, 15 minutes, depending on what you're running. It's really a leap forward in e-commerce testing. Thank you very much, and do hope you guys will try us out. Bye.